Hey besties, today we are going to draw Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So grab your marker and let's start. First we're going to start with the eyes, so we're going to make a circle right over here. And we're going to come across to make the second circle, like the second eye. Now we gotta make like circles to make the eyeballs. Let's give her some lashes. And eyebrows. Oh my god, I love that movie. Okay, so now we can make the nose. Like that type of shape. Now we're going to make the lips. So I'm gonna make something like that. That looks kind of cute. But now we gotta make like those stitches. Okay, now we gotta make a circle for the face. So okay, now we're gonna make the hairs. So we can make a line over here. So we can like make the hair just like that, and from the other side. Okay, now we can make the neck, so we can make the body. To continue with the body, her neck's kind of long. So just connect these, and she has like some stitches on her neck too, so we're gonna make those. Okay, now we can like make some lines on her hair. You can make any random lines. For some reason, it just makes it look kind of good. So, ribbly wobbly lines. Okay, there we go. And yep, now we're going to make the neck. So actually we're done with the neck, sorry. Make this for like the dress. And some more stitches. Now we're going to make the arms. Just like that. And now we're going to make her shirt. So we're going to make this triangle shape. It's not really a triangle, but yeah, it's something like that. now she has some sort of like pattern on her dress, so I'm going to make a few lines and make some swirls, like, you know, different fabrics, patterns. There, and yeah, that's great. You can actually do any pattern you like, or you can do according to the movie, like what patterns in the movie. I'm just going with some random styles. Like, I like, you can add your creativity in this. Make like hearts. I don't know why I'm going for that idea, but yeah. That's not even a star, okay. Great, now we are going to make a little tiny stitch for a detail. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.